Welcome to the Edsel and Eleanor Ford House, an 87-acre National Historic Landmark nestled along the serene shores of Lake St. Clair in Grosse Pointe Shores, Michigan. This Tudor Revival masterpiece, designed by Albert Kahn with gardens by Jens Jensen, is more than a home. It's a storybook brought to life. Today, we'll take you on an immersive journey through this iconic property, exploring its breathtaking architecture, lush gardens, and the enduring legacy of the Ford family. Let's begin. Our journey begins at the Gatehouse, a charming structure that once housed members of the Ford staff and their vehicles. Beyond its arched entrance lies the heart of the estate, where beautifully maintained grounds stretch as far as the eyes can see. As we make our way to the visitor center, we're greeted by exhibits that transport us back to the 1920s, offering a glimpse into the Ford family's world through artifacts, photographs, and original blueprints. Edsel Ford, the only son of automotive pioneer Henry Ford, was a man of vision and artistry. Alongside his wife Eleanor, Edsel blended modern innovation with the passion for art and design. Together, they created this estate as a haven for their family and a reflection of their shared love for culture and community. As we approach the main house, Ford Cove comes into view, a private inlet that opens to Lake St. Clair, offering tranquil waters that embrace the estate. The house itself is a Tudor Revival masterpiece, inspired by the Cotswold region of England. Designed by Albert Kahn, its sandstone walls, slate roof, and ivy-covered facade exude timeless elegance. This home feels like a place pulled from the pages of history, yet it stands as a testament to innovation and craftsmanship. Stepping inside, we're welcomed by the main hall, a space that immediately sets the tone for the home's grandeur. Ahead lies the loggia, a winterized porch where Eleanor Ford hosted intimate gatherings with family and friends. The expansive windows offer stunning views of the gardens, making it a favorite space in the house. Our first stop is the drawing room. Later redesigned by Polly Jessup in the 1950s, it served as a formal space for Eleanor's cultural and philanthropic meetings. Every detail from the upholstery to the artwork speaks of quiet sophistication. The cloister leads us to the gallery. At 1,500 square feet, the gallery is the largest room in the house. Its 17-foot barrel-vaulted ceiling, 16th century English oak paneling, and grand fireplace made it the perfect setting for parties and celebrations. It's a space that feels both stately and inviting. Next is the library. The library was the family's retreat, where books lined the shelves and sunlight poured in through large windows. This was where the Ford children played games and worked on school projects, proof that even the grandest homes have spaces filled with warmth and life. The morning room, Eleanor's favorite space for evening coffee, features a reproduction of one of Van Gogh's paintings. Meanwhile, the dining room reflects her preference for natural light and intimate candlelit meals. Here, the children's table stood until they were old enough to join the adults at the grand dining table. Equipped with electric refrigerators, a modern marvel for its time, the kitchen was designed for efficiency and elegance. Adjacent to it, the butler's pantry stored original china and featured cork countertops to minimize noise during meal preparations. The flower room was where fresh arrangements from the gardens were crafted, while the modern room, designed by Walter Dorwin Teague, brought Art Deco glamour into the home with curved walls and sleek finishes. Edsel's study was his personal sanctuary. A hidden door led to his secret photographic darkroom, where he indulged his passion for photography away from the demands of daily life. We now ascend the grand staircase, salvaged from a 16th century English manor and carefully modified to fit this home, alongside a replica of Diego Rivera's portrait of Edsel, commissioned in 1932. At the top, we step into the family's private quarters. Eleanor and Edsel shared this luxurious suite from 1928 until Edsel's passing in 1943. The suite includes 4 distinct rooms, a sitting room, bedroom, bathroom, and a dressing room, all reflecting the refined taste. Josephine, the Ford's only daughter, used this room until her marriage at age 20. It was then redecorated as a guest room. The governess's bedroom is simple but comfortable space, placed strategically to keep a watchful eye on the Ford children. This room began as William's nursery, but was later transformed into a guest room, showcasing Eleanor's timeless design choices. Benson and William shared this space here after their older brother Henry left for school. Teague's innovative design featured curved walls, built-ins, and indirect lighting. Henry's bedroom was used whenever he returned home to visit the family, offering him a private space for rest and relaxation. Descending the grand staircase, we reflect on the timeless beauty of this home. Stepping outside, we find ourselves in the courtyard, a space that seamlessly connects the natural beauty of the estate with its stunning architecture. The meticulously maintained gardens offer a peaceful retreat, inviting us to slow down and appreciate the artistry of Jens Jensen's landscape design. Nearby, the lagoon provides a moment of serenity, its still waters mirroring the sky and surrounding trees, creating a picturesque scene. Tucked away is a beautiful surprise, Josephine's Playhouse. Built with working electricity and running water, this miniature home was gifted to her by her grandmother, Clair Ford. Its hand-painted nursery rhyme character adds a whimsical charm, making it a favorite among visitors of all ages. It's a reminder that even in a home of such grandeur, there was a room for joy and imagination. The incredible design and attention to detail of the Edsel and Eleanor Ford House extend even to the powerhouse, a vital part of the estate that often goes unnoticed. This structure housed the mechanical heart of the home, including the original boilers, furnaces, and electrical systems that powered the mansion and its surrounding buildings. Remarkably, many of these systems have been restored and preserved, allowing visitors to step back in time and witness the cutting-edge technology of the 1920s. These machines powered everything from the elegant lighting in the gallery to the refrigeration systems in the kitchen and even the playhouse electricity. It's a testament to the vision of Edsel and Eleanor Ford. While the house is known for its beauty and luxury, the powerhouse reflects their commitment to innovation and functionality. Maintaining a property of this size required immense power and coordination, and this building was designed to meet that demand with efficiency and sophistication. Our journey concludes at the estate's private shoreline, where the tranquil waters of Lake St. Clair stretch out into the horizon. This view, a constant presence in the Fords' lives, offer a moment of reflection. It's easy to imagine the family spending quiet evenings here, enjoying the calming sound of the waves and the beauty of nature that surrounded them. The shoreline is not just a backdrop, it's an integral part of the estate's charm. Jens Jensen designed the landscape to draw the eye naturally toward the water, creating a seamless connection between the home and its environment. The water symbolizes both peace and possibility, a perfect ending to our tour of this extraordinary property.